That was the Washington Bagpipers. This time we have Katie Hanley.
Mellow light to shine is beginning. Close by the window, young Eileen was spinning. Bent o'er the fire, her blind grandmother sitting was crooning and moaning and drowsily knitting. Eileen, a Cora, I hear someone tapping. 'Tis the ivy, dear mother, against the glass flapping. Eileen, I surely hear somebody sighing. 'Tis the sound, mother dear, of the summer wind dying. Merrily, cheerily, noiselessly whirring, swings the wheel, spins the reel, while the foot stirring. Sprightly and lightly and airily ringing, thrills the sweet voice of a young maiden singing. There's a form at the casement, 'tis the form of her true love, and he whispers with face bent, I'm waiting for you, love. Get up on your stool, through the lattice step lightly. We'll rove through the grove while the moon's shining brightly. Merrily, cheerily, noiselessly whirring, swings the wheel, spins the reel, while the foot's stirring. Sprightly and brightly and airily ringing, thrills the sweet voice of a young maiden singing. Well, the maid nods her head, to her lips lays her fingers. She steals up from her stool, longs to go, and yet lingers. A frightened glance turns to her drowsy grandmother, puts one foot on the stool, spins the reel with the other. Lazily, easily swings now the wheel round. Slowly and lowly is heard now the real sound. Noiseless and light to the lattice above her, the maid steps then leaps to the arms of her lover. Slower and slower and slower the wheel turns. Lower and lower is heard now the real sound, ere the wheel